You unlock this door. Beyond it is another dimension. A dimension of sound. A dimension of sight. A dimension of mind. You've just crossed over into
Common Sense Zone. Hello friends, I hope you've been following my news on the news page. Daily I update it at www.thecommonsensezone.com. I've also been working on an internet radio show that comes on every Tuesday and Thursday called The Common Sense Zone. 8 o'clock Eastern Time, 5 o'clock West Coast Time. That's PM, of course, in the evening. I'm not going to do it early in the morning. But that can be found at that link right there in the information box. This Tuesday, May 5th, I'm going to have Chris Simcox on my show. He is the gentleman who started the Minutemen, the people that went down on the border and tried to curtail the illegal immigration. He's running against John McCain for his Senate seat. He's going to be on my show Tuesday, 8 o'clock. I hope to see you there, and please continue to follow my videos here along with on NMA TV. I haven't posted many here. Most of them are on NMA TV, and I don't put links all the time because I don't want to give YouTube the traffic. But I also have a Facebook page, and I have the Common Sense Zone group there if you would like to join me there. Please keep in touch, and I hope to hear you on my show tomorrow, 8 o'clock.
I'm Barack Obama, and I approve this message.